Step into the world of John Hancock, the bold merchant whose fearless leadership and unforgettable signature helped ignite the American Revolution. Join us as we uncover how this son of liberty risked his fortune, his name, and his life to defy the British crown and shape history. Welcome to Oliver's History Project, where you'll learn about the exciting history within the novel, The Unlikely Life of Oliver Atkinson. John Hancock was born into privilege in colonial Massachusetts, but history would remember him not for comfort, rather for defiance. Rising to become one of Boston's wealthiest merchants, Hancock built a vast trading empire that tied the colonies to the Atlantic world, even as British authorities accused him of smuggling, charges that turned him into a symbol of resistance against imperial control. Using his fortune to quietly fund protests, printers, and patriot leaders, Hancock aligned himself with the Sons of Liberty and openly challenged British authority, placing both his wealth and his life at risk. Targeted for arrest by the Crown, he fled as revolution loomed, later emerging as president of the Continental Congress at the very moment the colonies chose independence. When he signed the Declaration of Independence with a bold, unmistakable flourish, John Hancock ensured his name would forever stand for courage, rebellion, and the birth of a nation.